Hi all, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how we made our Disney signature board. Before we start, hit the like and subscribe button to show your support. This was such a fun project for the kids and the family, and it's also a great way to create memory and keep a memento from the cruise or Disney parks. So we included a list of materials in the description. If you want the SVG or the PNG file for personal use, email us or look for our Instagram and message us on there. So you can see right here, we used acrylic paint, a blue Crafts Smart acrylic paint here for the kids, and we just got the sponge from Home Depot and just let the kids go at it. We let it sit overnight, and we had a couple layers of paint on here just to make sure that we got the color that we wanted. Whoa!
This is the assistant hand, and this is the other assistant. And this, look over there, look over there.
It's gonna stay a mystery. So over here we use the Cricut design space, but if you have other programs, it will suffice as well. And if you don't have any of those, you can also print and just manually cut out designs. It's gonna be a little harder, but it's still pretty easy to do. So over here, you see we're putting it on our board slowly and just making sure we wanted it where we wanted it. I think one of the hardest part is getting the alignment of the dates correct, especially with the curvature. So you might have to give it a couple try. And then that's it, ta-da, and there you have it. It's pretty simple. And here's a board where we're aboard the Disney Dream and having Captain Minnie sign our board. And kids loved it. It was a little scavenger hunt and activity in itself to keep the kids busy during the ship and during the sea days. If you have any questions, please put in the comments and reach out to us. We would love to help you build some Disney memories with your family.
Oh, pretty. The best signature, Minnie Mouse. Just a roll.